I've always been a morning person, and mornings may very well be my favorite time of the day, as there is something both quiet and contemplative and yet energetic and expectant about the sun's awakening. I get up just as the light begins to outline the distant horizon, ever so faintly distinguishing the sky from land, which just moments before was indistinguishable in the darkness. I find early mornings to be the most sensuous of times, for that is when I get the most intimate glimpse of our sun. Even on the coldest or darkest of days, you still feel her sublime presence, a sense of warmth emanating in the empyrean. Here she slowly rises, a glowing, Rubenesque, celestial being, peering up from her home beyond the distant hills. An ethereal layer of mist often obscures her true form and the full strength of her beauty, as if cloaked in a diaphanous negligee. Sometimes if I sleep in and my shades aren't drawn, her mere presence will wake me from my slumber, lightly kissing my eyelids with her warming touch, as if to say, "Come hither, for I can only be gazed upon for a few moments." But these are fleeting moments. Even draped in her gauzy dishabille, it is tempting to stare, but I could still only squint or look askance before she indelibly impresses herself into my retinas. And when she casts off her morning robes just moments later, the time to take in her full presence has already passed. But her very presence on these early mornings is a daily gift. Her gentle glow brings life to the garden, making it look far more ornate than during the sun's apex in the sky. Every blade of grass appears rimmed in diamonds. Gossamers are pearled and lustrous. Flowers, fronds, and feathery seed heads glisten and glint in the soft shades of gold, rose, ecru, and powdery blues. Bumblebees emerge from their petaled beds, slowly stretching their antennae skyward while birds sing their dawn songs. The only souls that move fast at this hour are the hummingbirds, which whiz by as if already highly caffeinated on their nectared libations. This space of time between summer and fall is a glorious time. The earth is just cooling off, and it signals every creature to prepare for the upcoming winter. Many plants have already gone to seed, hoping to take up residence in a fertile patch of soil, or be long forgotten deep underneath the earth, buried by some well-intentioned bird or beast. The cooling temperatures have also signaled to us to begin to slow down. We live for that soothing ritual of hot tea in the morning. It is a drink for the mindful. The time it takes to gather the dried herbs, to decoct them, and the slow sips in between teaches she who imbibes a lesson in drawing out enjoyment from the simplest of pleasures. Our work outdoors will wind down soon too. When that happens, we will turn inwards and huddle behind the fireplace and discuss plans with one another for the next year. It's part of the beauty of building a life with friends. You have other people to discuss life with, a shared life, and you have the ability to build off of each other's ideas so it becomes even more beautiful than you had originally imagined.